guys, welcome back. We are going to do the design theme project using the Shattered Flower kit that Kyung's sister Annie made. As you know, I'm on Kyung's design team project. She's mine and Rhoda's design team mama, as Rhoda calls her. But I'm gonna do I just got a regular hardcover book. I'm going to do a closure to where the pages can be removed. So it makes it quick and easy without having to sew it in if sewing is difficult. And I've got the crocodile here. I'm going to use the large end. And I've got it marked already. And I put a piece of cardstock in between here to strengthen that a little bit better. Okay. Now this will be using elastic. I've got it on both ends here. And since there's two signatures, I'm only going to put two straps on there. Okay. But I'm also going to add eyelets to strengthen those even a little bit more. And these are the large eyelets from We Are Memory Keepers that I'm using because they splay out pretty good in there. Probably need to move that one up just a tiny hair. That's a little bit, okay. 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 I'll work on decorating it. Oh, I got that backwards. Decorating the cover and everything when we come back. But I was asked by Turtle if I could show how to do this. Now there are a couple of ways to actually do this. I just got a piece of elastic here. You can use hair ties if you want. Alright, now you can go in this way and this way so that you don't see anything on the outside. Okay. Okay. through the hole on that side. And I'm going to put it around twice because that'll actually hold it in place as you're getting ready to tie it off. Did I do that twice? I don't know. And I'm going to tie it off again. And I'll go ahead and do it a third time for good measure. Turn that off. Okay. So then you have it just on the outside like that. And then you have your things on the inside. Can't get a hold of it. I hope everyone is doing good today. We got the wedding all over with and done. Okay. This makes it particularly easy because if you want to ever change the pages out, then you can, because you didn't have to sew anything in. And there you go. And that is how you do that. And then we'll work on decorating the inside pages and then the cover. But just a quick way to show you how to do, you can do several covers like this. You can also put them through the outside as well as inside. It gives it a little more stabilization. You can also double up on them. You can go all the way across with as many strings as you want. But that just just makes an easy alternative for people who don't like to sew in their signatures and who maybe want to use a reusable journal. You know, if they like the cover, then you can add any pages that you want in, or remove them as you're decorating them. Also makes it easy to do that with as well. So just a quick video to show you guys how to do that. I hope that's what you were looking for, Turtle. If not, just let me know, and I can do, you know, other alternative forms if you'd like for me to. So that is it for now, and then we'll start decorating and whatnot when we come back. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye!